Tēnā koutou katoa. Greetings to you all. Kia ora. I'm Kireopa, one of the whānau navigators for the new Ngāti Queer Whānau Whenua initiative. What is the initiative? It's about the relationship and developing the relationships between Ngāti Queer whānau and their lands. There are 4 key components to this initiative. The first component is tahitanga, and that's the connection of Ngāti Queer whānau through this whenua initiative, developing whānau relationships with their tipuna lands and registering your interest. 2 is whakapakari, and that's intergenerational whānau resourcing. Number 3 is kaitiakitanga, Ngāti Queer whānau having an active role participating in the administration and management of their whenua. And number 4 is whakatupuranga, whānau realising the potential and capabilities of their lands and aspirations. Ngāti Queer will be holding a roadshow of 6 hui throughout the country, starting in Nelson, Blenheim, Christchurch, and then Auckland, Palmerston North and Wellington. We invite all Ngāti Queer whānau to come along to one of these events near you. Please see further details in our newsletter, Maranga Mai o Ngāti Queer. Ko reira, koutou te iwi pākohe, tēnei te mihi atu rā kia koutou. It's good to say that Ngāti Queer are taking an advocacy role in supporting their whānau throughout the whenua initiative. Ko reira, tēnā koutou, a kia ora huhu mai tātou.